Hello everybody, I'm Alvise, and in this video I'll show you how to install Novamira, the new free and open source MCP server built by our team at Dynamic.U that gives AI agents full access to WordPress, execute PHP, query the database, manage files, call plugin APIs, all from your AI client. Unlike other WordPress MCP servers, Novamira has no limited set of abilities. It gives you your AI the core primitives, and since it can execute any PHP, it can do anything WordPress can do. You can even build new custom abilities on top of it. Your WordPress, your AI, nothing in between. The setup takes just 2 steps. Install the plugin on your WordPress site, then connect your AI client using the configuration generated from the dashboard. I'll walk you through the setup for Claude Code, Claude Desktop and Cursor, but the same process applies to any MCP-compatible client. So let's get started. So after installing the plugin in WordPress, we start by clicking on Create New Application Password. And as you can see, a new application password has been generated. Be careful to never share it with anyone. Now in this case I'm showing it to you just for this tutorial, but later it will be deleted. Below the application passwords you can find the commands to add to your MPC client configuration. I'll start by showing you how to connect to Claude Code. So I copy these commands over here, and then I open the terminal and I paste the comments, and basically we're done. To connect Novamira to Claude Desktop instead, we click on the Claude Desktop tab and we copy the comments. And after opening Claude, we go to Settings, and in the Developer tab, we click on Edit Configuration, and with any text editor, we open the configuration file, and here we copy this part of the comment after MCP servers. After restarting Claude, if we go back to the settings in the developer section, you'll see that there's the new MCP server WordPress. And finally, to install it to Cursor, we click on Cursor and we copy the comments again. We open Cursor, and under Settings, we click on Cursor Settings, and then Tools and MCP, we click on New MCP and Server, and just like before, we copy the part of comments after MCP servers, and you'll see that if we go back to the Tools and MCP, the new MCP of Novamira has been installed. And finally, we go back to WordPress, and under Settings, we toggle the Enable AI abilities. We save the settings and we're done. As you could see, the setup of Novamira is pretty easy and fast. And as I said before, the same process applies to any MCP-compatible client like Visual Studio Code, Windsurf, OpenCode and Zed. So, you can find the link to the website in the description, and now you're ready to explore the great capabilities of Novamira. See you next time!